everyone, and welcome back to another episode of the Max AC channel. For this month's theme, with school starting up once again, I thought it would be fun to make some recipes that would be great to snack on while you're studying for your first test. So for this month, we will be doing our third round of September snacks, where we'll be taking a look at another 5 easy to make and delicious snacks to enjoy as the summer comes to an end. For this last episode, we will be making some Protein Yogurt Parfait. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of yogurt. I recommend Greek or other high protein yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, 1 to 2 scoops or 1/3 to 2/3 cup of protein powder. Any type should work, so use your favorite flavor. And to give your parfait some layers, some toppings I recommend are raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, or any other type of fruit or berry that you like, some granola or quick oats, some chocolate chips, and or some nuts or seeds. You will also need some mason jars or some other form of sealable container if you wish to make these ahead. This should be good enough for about 2 to 4 servings, so just as needed. First, we'll prepare the yogurt base. So in a mixing bowl, add the yogurt, honey or maple syrup, and protein powder, and stir this until everything is mixed together. Then for your other ingredients, chop up any of your toppings into smaller pieces if needed, and set these aside for later. Once your ingredients are ready, to each of your jars, add in a scoop of your yogurt and smooth the top flat. Next, sprinkle a layer of your toppings either individually on top of each other or as a mix in one layer. Then continue to layer your parfait as desired by adding more yogurt and topping layers. Then, once you've filled your jars up to your liking, you can eat them right away, but for any leftovers, seal them with a lid or covering and place them in the fridge for up to a week. Then, when you want to serve them, I recommend saving some of the crunchier toppings to add to your refrigerated parfaits if you wish to add some fresher crunch. But with that, your protein yogurt parfait is ready to eat. Yogurt parfaits have always been a favorite of mine. The fresh fruit mixed with creamy yogurt is so refreshing as a mid-afternoon snack, and it's also great for breakfast or dessert. And with this version of parfait, it's a lot better nutrition-wise while still remaining sweet and delicious, making this yummy treat easy to incorporate into a healthy diet. I was originally debating not doing this recipe for our last one for this month, since it's pretty similar to the protein yogurt bark recipe we did a few weeks ago. But I decided to make this one because I wanted to highlight that when making recipes to fit into your diet, finding ones that use the same ingredients to make different things makes it a lot easier to track macros and calories. But it still allows you to have variety so you don't get bored of eating the same food. Speaking of variety, just like with the other recipe and other ones we've done before, your yogurt parfait is highly customizable to your preferences or to what you can find at the store or in your pantry. For instance, I wasn't originally planning on using pomegranate seeds, but I saw them at my store when I went to go buy some ingredients, and I thought they would go great in a parfait, and I was right. But regardless of what ingredients you use, this creamy, sweet fruit and yogurt snack will be a great way to pick you up after a long day of work, or as a great way to start or end your day with something delicious and nutritious. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed the video. In the comments below, let me know how it went if you decided to make it, and let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything you want to make next. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to or follow this channel for more episodes of the Max AC channel. And remember, if you want to stay cool in the kitchen, turn your AC to the max and watch the Max AC channel. Kind of looks like a ranch dressing.